how to add resume to your Wix website. So what I've done is I've clicked on edit site, which has loaded up the Wix website editor. Now here we want to click on add elements. And the first thing that we want to do is go to button. So just go to button here, go to document buttons and select the type of document button that your resume is in. For example, if your resume is in PDF file, then you will select this button. If your resume is in Microsoft Word format, here you will get the docx button. Mine is in PDF, so what we want to do is just left click and drag and drop it onto our Wix website. Now this will automatically load up the media manager, and we will select upload media here from the left, then upload from computer, and we want to find our resume. This is the resume that I have as a sample, so I've just highlighted it and I'll click on open. This will automatically update or upload our resume to the media manager, and it should automatically be highlighted. Simply click on add to page here, and now this document will be linked to this icon here, and if people click on it, they will be able to get access to our resume. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.